Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor living with what I consider to be the best portable gazebo on the market right now. It's the Gazelle Tents G6 8-person pop-up gazebo. Whether you're camping, hosting a backyard party, or just enjoying a day out at the park, this versatile shelter has you covered literally. This Gazelle G6 model is a game-changer in the world of outdoor shelters. Designed with durability and ease of use in mind. It's crafted from high-quality materials and features an innovative pop-up hub design that makes setting it up a breeze. No more struggling with complicated poles and instructions. Let's talk features. Firstly, the G6 offers a spacious 12 by 12 feet footprint with a height of 86 inches at its center, providing ample room for up to 8 people comfortably. It's made from a robust 210 denier Oxford weave polyester, which not only makes it durable, but also gives it a waterproof rating up to 2000 mmHg, perfect for those unexpected rain showers. What I love most about this gazebo is its 6-sided design, complete with integrated wind panels that provide excellent protection against the elements. The front door's wind panel even doubles as a handy awning, adding extra shade and shelter for your outdoor gatherings. Plus, the large YKK zippered windows and tight weave mesh ensure optimal ventilation while keeping pesky bugs out. Setting up and taking down this gazebo is a dream. Thanks to its innovative hub design, it pops up in just minutes literally. No more wasting time on complicated setups when you could be enjoying the outdoors with friends and family. And let's not forget the accessories that come with it. You get durable all-terrain stakes, guy lines for added stability in windy conditions, and an oversized duffel bag for easy storage and transport. It's the little things like these that really elevate the user experience. So, if you're looking for the ultimate portable gazebo that combines durability, ease of use, and smart design, look no further than the Gazelle Tents G6 8-person pop-up gazebo. It's perfect for camping, picnics, backyard parties, you name it. Trust me. Once you experience the convenience and quality of the Gazelle G6, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy exploring outdoors.